I'm Rodrigo Lombello. I'm the CEO of GolTV. GolTV, it's a cable and satellite TV network, and we focus a lot on soccer from Latin America and also from Europe. But the main strategy is the Latin American communities here in the US and Canada, and we show off the main leagues and top players and places every week. We were starting to have issues with running on our own servers and running old Windows Server software that was not supported. It was risky, and we did that for a while, but we thought it was not an ideal solution, and we had to change it. And going to BC, and especially using the cloud, we don't have to keep our servers anymore. It's much simpler, easier. We don't have to worry about backups. There were so many reasons. And but that was the main one. I mean, GP was too old. The structure behind it was too old, right? The software itself was okay. We thought that it stood for our size and our growth projections. It was a perfect solution. It's more robust and I think better to work in a multi-user environment than, say, QuickBooks, for example. It'd be too simple. But it's not all the way going to SAP or Oracle. That would be too complex, too expensive for an organization like ours. So we felt it's easy enough of a transition, and it's scalable until we grow at least double or triple the size of the company. The initial call with Ed, it was very, very, let's say, productive or convincing. And it was a person who conveyed. He knew what he was talking about. He took his time to understand what we needed and what I was telling him. And we never felt that he was putting any pressure for us to close the deal. He was not trying to sell something specifically. He was really trying to help. He knows the issues that we go through day to day, the experience, knowing that there are things that we know it's going to happen, right? Issues that you know are coming. And it's someone that I could share with and he would understand. That was great. He was a great call and a great guy, and he was key for us to make the decision with Enavate version. Transition from GP to BC with you guys was, I'll say, easy. It was easy. It's a lot of work. Let's not lie. It's a lot of things, but you guys guided us. You gave us time to do things. You never rushed, you never delayed. It was done according to our time and our resources. You understand that people are working at the same time that they have to do the migration. It's not that simple of a process. And Enavate managed that perfectly. And the consultants were great and super responsive. Any issue that we had was responded, not only with the calls, but even emails the same day. We're super, super happy. And in fact, we did recommend to another organization that's going through the process now, and I think I'll keep recommending it. I love your company service. I think it's great.
Wonderful, thank you. What are 3 words you would use to describe Enavate services, solutions, or service to you?
I think those are the 3: experience, professionalism, and friendliness. We're really, truly satisfied with the support and everything. It's a well-run company. Congratulations. Really happy.
Well, good. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you so much.